Okay, Coach T, tackletrading.com, giving you my tip of the day. I saw a bunch of questions recently about journaling and whatnot, and I don't know if every trader out there who's a part of our community knows where to find our journals. So I want to show you a couple of different locations. In our Trade Center, okay, if you click on Trade Center, you'll see a menu over here on the left. One of the menu items will say Trade Journals. Now, there are 3 independent trade journals that I think are very important for you to download and get to know on how to use. One is the Trade Journal, which is pretty descriptive, right? It's a trade-by-trade journal where you put in the individual symbol, what kind of trade you made. There's a video on how to use it as well, okay? So make sure you get that. There's another one called the Tackle Theta Research Journal, which shows you how to build and run covered calls and naked puts and iron condors and vertical spreads. Very, very helpful on research. And the last one, I got to tell you, as a coach and a mentor, this one's most important for me from my side of the aisle, is the portfolio journal. And that's where you put in your account value, your trade totals. You get an idea on how to beta weight your portfolio. It's a little bit more advanced. But my tip of the day is to download all of your journals and make sure that you're keeping records and to know where they are on tackle trading and how to find them. And then there are some tutorials on that. What I would then do is put in things like, trade journal in the search, and what you're going to find is quite a few different articles and courses that might tie back into how to use those different trade journals. Tackletrading.com. It's been Coach T with my tip of the day, and that's to use your trade journals. Keep records, guys. Get in the game. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to get more videos as they come out.